Hello guys, and welcome to the Crazy Gamer channel. Today I'm doing a video on how to make a background or banner for your YouTube channel. Now, as some of you may know, for my YouTube channel I have recently made a new background. Some people may have seen when I was tinkering with it that one of it was just a very zoomed in image of my face, and that's because I was still tinkering it. But now I've got it. Thanks to this, it's awesome. This took me like 5 minutes because I was just playing around with it. And honestly, if I worked better, it would be even awesomer. That's a word. Don't think it is. And I didn't use Photoshop. So let's open a new tab right here. And we're going to type in PicMonkey. Now, you may know of this site, you may have been on it, and some of you may be thinking, no, I don't like this site, it didn't work for me. But this is just maybe because you weren't using the right tools and doing it the right way. So first of all, you're going to want to hit edit, and you're going to want to select a file. You may have to hit all files, and I actually should tell you where I got this. I search on here, you search banner templates, if I can type. You want to search that and hit images. Wait for it to load. And you may have to type YouTube. Yep, it's right here. Now this is the one I use. I'm pretty sure you can use this one, that one, but this is just the one I used. I thought it worked fine, it worked great. And then you're going to want to save this to your computer, save it wherever. And when you're on here, when you hit edit, you're going to want to select that file. Now mine is right here. And so this is what it looks like if you're doing it the way I'm doing it. Now this is the desktop. This is where they'll be able to see. Tablets will be able to see to this point, and desktop minimum and mobiles will be able to see till this point. Now that is on both sides, and on top of here, and basically this whole thing is where the TV will be able to see. If you're viewing on a TV screen, which some of you may be. And so, once you have this, you're going to want to go to YouTube, and you're going to want to go and search, or not YouTube, you're going to want to search on Google, YouTube banner background. And you're going to want to find one of these you like, but if you're on a desktop, tablet, or any mobile device, you will not see this. This is only for TV viewers. So I've already pre-downloaded one. You can pick any of these. I wouldn't recommend picking one of these, or like one of these, or definitely not one of these. But some, like that one looks pretty cool. That one, this one. That one looks pretty cool. That one, that's a great one. And you kind of want it to be plain. That one looks pretty cool. This one would be great. It's awesome, and it's basically plain. And so you're going to want to find two of these. One that only TV viewers will see, and one of them that mobile and minimum desktops will see. So once you pick those two, you want to save them to your computer. And now you're going to want to pick one. You're going to want to hit the butterfly, and you're going to want to hit your own. And you're going to want to pick the one that only TV viewers will see. Now, I'm going by the ones I already picked out for my YouTube channel. I'm not making a new one. I'm basically going the same thing, but you don't have to make what I'm making, so this could be your pictures. It could turn out completely different. But anyways, you're going to want to open this, and you're going to first want to bring it to the corner of your screen. Then you're going to want to make it as big as the screen. It should look something like this. And then you're going to want to hit, actually first you're going to want to bring it, and you're going to want to line it right there, just to make it even easier for us, so that we can tell where the line is. But this is still pretty important, it's not just like marking place. And you're going to want to fit it perfectly, and then you're going to want to right click it, and you're going to want to hit duplicate overlay. Now once you've done that, you should be able to drag a second one away, and you're going to want to do the same thing with the bottom line. Once you've got that and you've got it perfect the way you want it to be, you want it to be pretty spot on, but also look a little sloppy. So that's pretty good. And then you're going to want to hit overlay 0 once again, and you're going to want to pick the one that mobile viewers and minimum desktop viewers will see. You're going to once again want to bring this to the top of your screen and drag it down. And then you're going to do something a little bit different. You're going to right click it, and you're going to want to hit set to back. Now this will go in between the two pictures, and this is basically your thing. This is going to be in the background. And so again, these two pictures would be the same, and that one would be this one would be just a different picture. This would not be the same. These two same, and this one different. And that's basically what people will see. Again, these may be completely different, but these two should still be the same. It doesn't have to be this picture, but whatever. Then you're going to want to start adding text and stuff. So I'm going to hit the T over here. You're going to want to hit text. I'm going with Ultra. That is what I use. So I'm going to hit add text, and I'm going to want to drag it over to both corners, and then I'm going to do a little bit of decoration. I'm going to put it a little bit over, and then I'm going to type in it squiggly lines, and I want to see if that is how I want it. You might have to pick this up and move it so that you can access this. And so I think that looks pretty good, but I want it to be a different color, so I'm going to select it, and I'm going to change the color to pure white. I'm going to move this back into place. Maybe a little bit different, It's all what you basically want. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the top. And I actually did not do this for my intro. I actually might change it to what I make on this video. And you can comment if you're commenting, show me pictures of what you created, because I am so happy. It's really not a lot. I only have 32 subscribers, but that is just awesome to me, because I just love doing what I do, and it's awesome that you guys like it too. That's basically it. I accidentally made this the wrong font, I think. Ultra. I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. It's just I'm trying to get things organized and fixed with just my new laptop, my new equipment, but I'm getting a lot more used to it. And so let's add another line of text, and this is going to be my crazy gamer name. And you have to remember, you have to remember the guidelines. So for instance, if I move this, I want this I want my line of text